thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you.
Kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang awitin. Parang kailan lang halos ako ay magpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa inyo, ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko'y kayo ang handugan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Parang kailan lang Ang mga awitin ko ay ayaw pakinggan. Dahil sa inyo, narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Tatanda
lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamdam. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarama, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig
Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning, losing, and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. As sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here. I will be here, and you can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're old. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning, losing, and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. As sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here. I will be here, and you can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. I will be here, and just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here, we'll be together,
to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work in this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else round here but human strife? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. What has life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Oh, oh, we are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel, let's open our eyes and do whatever it takes. We gotta work, we gotta feel, let's open our eyes. Oh, oh, and sing this song to all of our age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. Sing this song to me, sing this song to me, sing, touch the sun. I wish the heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her, the things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just talk a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. Make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed.
Remember when you were
since you've been
when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always by loving you through the years.
Yamaning maaw lang ka. Masabi.
Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away as long as it's okay.
Barbecue food
I'll
yan.
stay with you
Sabi mo ah, yummy ako.
through the
Ice cream yummy yummy.
years.
Oh, ice cream yummy yummy. Oh, siya. Dahil kumakang tissue.
Kaya namang makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan. Pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y iingatan. Baka
Pasalamat ka pa kasi klata. Baka nakandamdaman. Oh, pasalamat ka pa.
Salamat na. Hindi kayanda kami.
Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Mga tamo po. Salamat, Tekla. Salamat, Tekla. Salamat.
di talaga inasahan magkagulo, magkagulatan, tahanan pinagpaguran. Sana napunta, hindi
ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay.
Utang.
Magbigay ng pangalan ng mga isdang dagat na nagsisimula sa letter C. Sa letter C. Pasandagat.
1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5. Go out.
Ikot.
Oh, ikaw. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, catfish, sama. Oh, daw. Pero wala sa dagat yun eh.
Wala sa dagat yun eh.
Ilog yun eh. Oh, catfish.
Ano din may
Hindi.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, wala na. Out.
Oh.
sa dagat.
Kanduli.
Sandagat eh.
Dagat.
Ito kongo na ako. Wala. 1, dala eh. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, wala na.
1.
Crayfish. Search yan. Sige.
Check yan eh, tayo balo. Eh, may balo. Nano ito?
Ito?
Tabalo.
Nano ito?
Crayfish. Walang dimdam po na eh.
Oh, oh, search mo pa. Oh, hindi.
1, 2, 3. Ay, balo.
Ikalas ko. Dagat,
Sandagat.
nagsisimula sa
Sandagat
C.
Nagsisimula sa letter C.
Nga o, repang balang hipon. Crayfish.
Ah, wow. 50. Oh, ikaw.
Catfish.
Ha?
Catfish yan ang catfish. Kanyang sa catfish.
Ala, meron ikaw. Ala.
Search na. Wala na. Yeah. Ala po? Oh. Atin yung dano Peppa picture ya. Oh, itang picture. Bigi sana yung dano nila pa. Diyos ko, tanong mayari yan eh. Oh, di magumpisa. Iyin ko. Iyin kong magumpisa niya. Oh, sige. Tat.
Ay, ba't tiya ako? Kay ba't
Sagli sa...
Pagirame kayo, pagirame. Tamag timer.
At yun eh.
Okay, 1.
Dadawin mo ko tayo.
Dalawa.
Ay, hindi. Video mo yung kong.
Mukhang mura iyan.
Sige, ako.
Haliti dati sa mga utang.
Oh, yan na.
Tao?
Hindi.
Prutas?
Hindi.
Pagkain?
Oo.
Lugar?
Oo.
Ay, pagkain?
Oo,
Prutas?
Hindi.
Niluluto?
Hindi. Ay, oo.
Gulay?
Hindi.
Karne?
Hindi.
Snack?
Pwede.
Snack? Chicharon?
Hindi.
Balot?
Galing. Kasalina mo. Ba, ano yan, di ba? Ano ba?
Yung yes, no.
Ichilinoy lang adwang tantan.
Kata mo, tita. Kaya kami ito ang nini.
Ay, kaya po sige. Kaya ka magbuisit ha.
Hindi ka mag-isis.
Magbusit na yan.
Pagpesya mo.
O, Tagalog.
Pangmatwala dito. Tagalog na.
O, Tagalog ka no.
Pag matmano ito? O sige ah. English ma.
Bahala din. Tagalog.
Itang kayon ma.
Huwag na desisyon mo.
All across the blue water.
Water. Wala, no? Water.
Water.
One.
Water teardrops in your
Head. Oo, tama nga naman. Ay, kasakit na? Ay, pwede ko ulit. Ano? Toast. Toast tayo. Alam mo rin. Ika, alam mo rin. Ay, kilala na si Nambo. Tadwa, alam mo. Di mo ka makiramdam yan. Papuray ka talaga na eh. Wapen. Ali, tsakalwa naman ang ito. Sige.
Hindi ka
yung Manila.
manula.
Oo.
Ay, wala na balo.
Ano, ika na manula. Ika na manula.
Sige, problema.
O, yung manula, ilulubya sa'yo.
Lingkong na mo.
Oo. Kasi mo lugar, o. Mabalot, Luzon, Visayas.
Balik kita ka.
Balik. Kaya ka lo. Ang tayo.
Tayo.
Pasamasan nyo. Manyula ning kayo. Kabati Mark ang puilet. Na.
Pwede kayo pa kanya na.
Owa. O rin kaya na pa. Ingkong.
Paano mo inikong?
Ano yan na?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Nino ma.
Ikaw, o. Yak sa
Kamangutan!
Ikaw mangutang. Yan na pa mo gagamitan yun. Oh.
Ano, bagay. Oo. Bagay?
Ano, itawag ngayon sa kapwa mo.
Nasa loob ng bahay.
Oo.
Yan.
Kusina. Sa kusina.
Pwede.
Electric fan.
Hindi.
Pabila sa mutang.
Kinakain.
Kalambat.
Kalang.
Kinakain ka lang. Labig ka lang.
Oh.
Pagkain. Bagay.
Oo.
Anong bagay?
Kalambat.
Sige. Ulitan mo eh. Ulitan mo.
Pag-iming oras ka rin natin. Pag-iming oras
What?
46 seconds.
46 seconds na lang. Ikalambat ha? Ay, ito. Magaya.
Oo.
Hindi ka wala magbusit ka.
Tingin pa mo rin. Yung manula, yung magpaula. Hindi mo dapat.
Oh, wait.
Karitak na na mo. Nasa loob ng bahay.
Kaya ka pa na
Yeah, may kebri ka pa niya. Gusto iyo.
Hoy, 3, 2.
Sandok.
Ano sa English ang pawikan?
4, 5.
Dok. Oh. Pawikan. Hoy, ikaw. Hoy. Pawikan. Oo.
Ano?
Puso. Oh. Puso. O, ikaw ano? 1. Puso. Para sa'yo eh.
Puso ng saging.
Ay,
Pusong tumitibok-tibok.
ano balo? Hoy ka na. Puso.
Puso ko'y binihag mo. Maghihintay ako ng habang buhay.
Oh, buhay.
Boy, boy.
Boy. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang.
Ano mo sa akin din naman?
Alay. Alay.
Ang aking alay, alay, alay,
Inaalay, di ba? Simbahan. Kanta mo sa simbahan, alay, oh.
Alay.
Oh, alay.
Iaalay sa'yo.
Ali, bumuri yung pormero alay eh.
Oh, alay.
Iaalay, pwede
Oh,
lang.
alay.
Sige, basta ting alay.
Alay.
Alam pa?
Alay, alay.
Oh, English na naman kano, tagi ka kano English.
Oh, sige, tete ako.
Oh, hindi na mag-start.
Ano? Yan.
English. Di ka mag-start English.
Kaya mag-usa ka na. Mag-usa ka. Ito ay pinamagatang
May title pa.
sige. Hey there, what you doing down there? Dancing alone, living that world about you.
Oh, about you.
Galing ko sa
Ayo. Ayo.
You are the reason.
Ali, dapat mag-steal na yung uli nung
Wow.
ikaw.
Oh, mag-steal na mo. Baka tama. Correct. Oh, sige. Oh, wow.
Give me chance.
Oh, give me chance. Oh, English yun, oh. Oh.
You are the reason my heart keeps believing.
Oh, believing. Oh, believing.
Believing. Can't stop believing.
Believing. Tama ka naman.
Feeling.
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 Feeling sa
Ano yung sabi mo? Oh, feeling daw. Tama. Feeling.
Aliwaman yung kinanta ko ito eh.
Ali, ito tundo dyan mo taluin mo.
Sundo din mo tang words.
Tang word.
Oo. Kaya pala sindo na nandun eh. Feeling. Ay, so nagano.
I got this feeling inside my bones.
Bone ka no, bone.
Bone.
Bone maro.
Ano, kasakin yung bone. Isundo me pa. Sundo me pa yung bone. Meron pa nun.
Got electric, baby, when I turn it on.
On na na, on.
On the wings of
Nothing else. It's the only way to fly. 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 Yakapon siya?
Fly.
Wala naman yung bukta niya na.
Fly.
Oh, nino ka kanya minyambot. Minyambot na kayo. Minyambot na kayo. Oh, pwede minyambot na. Fly.
Flying to the moon.
Oh.
Let me sing.
Flying na, flying.
Mabilito.
Mga Benito.
Ano yan?
To the moon.
Moon, moon.
Moon.
Flying on the tree. Three.
O, nino pang sinambot?
Kay, kay.
3? Kaya ko. 3 yan. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Three yata naman.
Tree. Tree, yung pangbatang song. Tree.
4, 5, 6.
Wala. Eh, may ano pa kaalala man ng kelkel po ta malunod dyan.
Oh, sige.
Oh.
Tagalog o English.
Diyang nano.
Diyan na, no?
Oh.
I know I got...
Itang last word mo naman eh. Oo.
I know that I was living.
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 Living. Oh.
Ano?
The balo. The balo. Living on a jet. I don't know where I'll be back again.
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 O, bilangan niya eh.
1.
1, 2, 3,
See you again, try me.
5.
Wow, dito. Again.
Long way without you.
Ngayon,
Again na. O, ginatani buho.
See you again.
Again. Oh.
Okay, in a long day without you, my friend.
Oh, friend.
When you need a friend.
Dapat friend ang beso. Again. Oh. Again. At tapos tinuloy lang niya. Oh, friend. Oh. Kailan ba?
Friend with my heart. Wala.
Ala, friend.
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 Friend of mine. Stop. Will missing.
Nano'y pagtano? Saan ka makaintindi?
Friend of mine.
One, two, three, four, five.
Oh, busy ka no. Magbigyan nyo na yung missing. Oh. Friend niya na naman.
Bukas ay kaya sa
Ay, alin na yan. Ano?
One, two, three, four, five.
one.
Oh.
Kita.
Kita na naman.
Bibig.
Kita.
Turumi. Dakalami. Kita. Pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga.
Basta't mahal.
Patuloy mo na mo. Oh, mahalaga.
Mahalaga. Lapit daw.
Mahalaga.
Oh.
Mahalaga.
Mahalaga ang bigas.
Ikaw. Ala. Oh, wala rin silang boot.
Yamaning mahablang ka. Ay masyadong matamis. Manyaman niya sakto yam na. Ba, kaya man din yan mayum, kunyani pa Shane. Eh, gatas mo metong condense. Manyaman na. Sabihan mo ta, mamo ta. Mamo. Sarap mo. Sarap. Liklukanan na nga pong tinuliranan na yung kahit barbecue ang polumpia. Tang sabihan mo, yummy mo. Tang, ice cream yummy mo.
Yummy.
Ice cream yummy. Oh, just. Lagyan mo ang tissue. Pasalamat ka pa ka teklata. Ang bahala kang damdaman. Oh, papasalamat ka pa.
Salamat na. Hindi kayanda kami.
Oh. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Mga tamo po. Salamat, Tekla. Salamat. Ganyan man yung barbecue. Kung ano sabihan mo yummy. Sabihan mo ice cream yummy mo.
Yummy ice cream.
Yummy ice cream ka no.
Nasawan mo, ate ito.
Yummy ice cream. Tapos sabihan mo yummy ice cream.
Ice cream yummy mo.
Tapos sabihan mo. Ba, marinig pa mo, barbecue mo.
Oo, 2025 no.
Loko.